So my 0 to 60 is... I mean, maybe my car is that slow.
Guys, 1 million subs, he'll jump right off of there, bro.
But it has to happen next year. Next year, if I get 1 million subs, I will swan dive. Like, literally, like... What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and today we are out here with the 5th Gen ZL1, and we're going to be doing some...
science.
And we're going to be using this Dragy that I've had with me for about 1.5 years now. I never got the chance to test it out on the SS, but now we got the ZL1 and I got crazy content planned out for this car. And this is going to be a vital part of this content that we're going to be making. So we're first going to test out some basic metrics, 0 to 60, 60 to 130, things like that. We're going to start doing like a series of how fast can we get this car to go with weight reduction, adding more power, doing some more modifications. So this is a great way to accurately test out my progress. With me is going to be Mr. Baiku in his beautiful NB Miata. This car is up for sale right now. If you guys are interested in purchasing a very clean, literally pristine condition Miata, go ahead and reach out to him. And also check out his YouTube channel as well. He does a lot of bike content, does a lot of interesting and thought-provoking content as well. Nice. We are literally in the middle of nowhere right now. Perfect to test out these speeds. This is all on a private road. My 0 to 60 time is going to be absolute garbage.
What do they claim it to do, 0 to 60?
I think it's like probably low 4s. Maybe even high 3s, but...
You're not doing high 3s?
I'm not going to be doing high 3s, no. I mean, I've got some pretty decent tires on it. Yeah, no, I'm definitely thinking I'm going to be around the 4.5. That's really like being friendly. That's really being nice.
I was gonna say, if you get it below 4.5, we're gonna have to celebrate, because I think honestly it's like 4.8.
Yeah,
maybe even like 4.9. A professional driver and like a prepped surface for Chevy did the numbers that they claim. You're like some fucking random ass dude.
So now we open up the Dragy app, connect the Mundo. There we go. It's 5G technology, man. It's causing cancer. So let me just test it out real quick. Boom, boom. All right, it's live. So I'm gonna start off in 2nd gear, and I think I should be around 5,000 RPM. I'm gonna be shifting fairly quickly, so it's that 2nd to 3rd shift that's crucial. So let's do it with the windows down. Hopefully that helps out a little bit. All right. 12.5, dude, that's crazy. Oh my God, I don't think I'm doing this right. I mean, maybe my car is that slow. Jesus. So let's do a quick 0 to 60 time. Oh my God. Well, there goes the phone. Oh man. My 60 to 130 is like 11 something. It's so bad. All right. So my 0 to 60 is 4.65. Yes. Now, the 60 to 130, that is horrendous. I think with the same run that I did prior to the 0 to 60 time, 12 seconds. That's horrible. And that was with the windows up. Yeah. So as soon as the car starts, as soon as it registers from 60 to 130, if you let off a little bit and then you give it a gas because you're not sure what the surroundings are. So I don't think 12, that's accurate. It should not be this long. I think reasonably would be like, I think like 10. I'm more impressed with my 0 to 60 than I am with 60 to 130.
Like once you hit 60, it's already recording. So like if you for any reason hesitate, like that's gonna ruin your time.
You gotta do it the una.
Yeah, you gotta go flat out.
And 4.65.
That's pretty quick.
It's pretty fucking fast. For a manual. And this is real world practice, guys. This is not prepped road. Let's do it on this truck here. We're gonna do it on the Miata.
I think the advertised 0 to 60 was like 8 seconds. So
I think that's a little generous.
Nah, yeah, I think this thing right here.
This thing definitely for sure can smoke a Miata.
A roll, no, like a roll, I'll take the roll because I think you're like capped in like speed limit. But bro, if I blow the motor, can I get the one in there?
Can you imagine putting a an LSA in this thing?
I hate, dude, shifting first to second for me is always the worst. Second or third is not that bad, but first to second, because I feel like sometimes it locks you out. Like, don't you ever
for this car?
No, in any car. I feel like it's never like smooth, like it's never like gracefully like in the fucking
non-sports car problem,
I gotta
bro.
switch the transmission or something, bro. I don't fucking know.
I think it just hit 60 now.
We did it, boys. We fucking did it, dude. This car is not fast, but what it is fun. You don't need to have a fast car to have fun. Like just doing shit like that, it's already fun enough, bro. Oh man, this car is 25 years old.
25 years old.
And when it was new, automatic, they're predicting 7.9. Remember, 25 years old, less than 100 horsepower, 0 to 60.
I'm gonna be saying 8.2.
Bro, who do you think I am, bro? Tony Stewart? Bro, it's 8.7, bro.
Oh, shit.
8.2?
I don't know.
25 years old. It's almost as old as you. If I got below 9, like I'll be happy solid. Because this thing already has its own 401k. It's 25 years old. Like, this is not brand new, fresh out the factory. Like, it's lost horsepower, obviously, because of efficiencies, but it's just what it is.
Yeah, that's insane.
Verified, baby. Trying to run it, boy. Dude, I'm in a Miata, bro. Tire smells great, though.
Yo, traction control fighting for its life, bro.
Why? Oh, you burnt rubber, though.
Yeah. Looks very nice in the sun, man. This crystal red metallic is something. And the carbon fiber.
Give me a baby.
Oh, bro got the real camera.
Get that GoPro shit out of here,
4K, bro. Does it take video too?
Yeah, but it doesn't have image stabilization.
Oh, bear this. Yo, the Miata looks so small.
It does, bro. I don't know why it looks so tiny. Like, it literally looks smaller from here. Maybe this because it's like a big ass warehouse or something, but
yeah, for
like
perspective.
The road is big, but
oh, you're so cute, bro. Oh, thanks for swinging by. Appreciate you recording this and being a part of this experience. We definitely gotta do more content with that Dragy and the rest of the gang because I'm curious to see what everybody else's times are. We're definitely gonna be doing more content with the ZL1. Gonna be improving those times. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it informative and somewhat entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy my content. And last but not least, do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos with the Z, with the boys, or any other videos. So take care. Peace, guys.